Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve success while others struggle to make ends meet? Do you find yourself trapped in a cycle of negative thoughts and limiting beliefs, unable to break free and reach your full potential? If so, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You have the power to change your reality by transforming your mindset. In this video, we'll explore the magic of mindset and uncover the secrets to unlocking a life of abundance and prosperity. But be warned, this journey is not for the faint of heart. It requires courage, determination, and a willingness to shatter the limitations that have held you back for far too long. So, if you're ready to take control of your thoughts and create the life you've always dreamed of, let's dive in. Lesson 10. Cultivate the bamboo mindset. In nature, the Chinese bamboo tree teaches us a powerful lesson about success. For the first 4 years of its life, the bamboo tree shows no visible signs of growth above ground. But beneath the surface, it's developing a complex root system that will support its incredible growth in the future. Then, in the 5th year, the bamboo tree suddenly shoots up 90 feet in just 60 days. The lesson here is clear. True success is the result of years of unseen, unrewarded preparation. It's about having the patience and persistence to lay a strong foundation, even when the results aren't immediately apparent. So ask yourself, are you willing to cultivate the bamboo mindset and put in the work, day after day, even when the rewards seem far off? Lesson 9. Embrace adaptability. In a world that's constantly changing, adaptability is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. The most successful people are those who are able to pivot quickly, learn new skills, and thrive in the face of uncertainty. As Charles Darwin once said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent. It is the one most adaptable to change." But here's the thing. Adaptability isn't just about reacting to change. It's about proactively seeking out new opportunities and embracing the discomfort of growth. It's about being willing to let go of old ways of thinking and doing things and embracing new possibilities. So are you ready to become an agent of change in your own life? Lesson 8. Seize every opportunity. Opportunity is all around us, but it's up to us to seize it. Too often, we let fear, doubt, and complacency hold us back from taking the bold actions that could transform our lives. We see others achieving great things and think, "I could never do that," or "I'm not ready yet." But the truth is, no one is ever fully ready. Success belongs to those who are willing to take imperfect action and learn as they go. As the renowned businessman Richard Branson once said, "If somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure you can do it, say yes. Then learn how to do it later." So start saying yes to the opportunities that come your way, even if they scare you. You never know where they might lead. Lesson 7. Learn from the parable of the talents. The Bible contains many timeless lessons about success and abundance, and one of the most powerful is the parable of the talents. In this story, a master entrusts his servants with varying amounts of money talents before going on a journey. When he returns, he finds that 2 of the servants have doubled their money through wise investments, while the third has simply buried his talent in the ground out of fear. The master praises the first 2 servants for their initiative and condemns the third for his lack of action. The message is clear. We are all given unique talents and resources, but it's up to us to make the most of them. We can't simply bury our gifts in the ground and expect to achieve success. We must be willing to take risks, invest in ourselves, and put our talents to work in service of something greater. Lesson 6. Master the art of strategic decision-making. Success is not just about working hard. It's about working smart. And one of the most critical skills for working smart is strategic decision-making. This means being able to analyze complex situations, weigh different options, and choose the course of action that will yield the best results. It means being able to see the big picture and make decisions that align with your long-term goals, even when short-term sacrifices are required. Take the example of Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. When he first started the company, he made the strategic decision to focus on growth over profits, reinvesting every dollar earned back into the business. This decision required tremendous patience and vision, but it ultimately paid off, turning Amazon into one of the most valuable companies in the world. So ask yourself, are you making strategic decisions in your own life, or are you simply reacting to circumstances as they arise? Lesson 5. Embrace Stoic philosophy. The ancient Stoics understood that true power lies not in controlling external events, but in mastering our own thoughts and emotions. They taught that we can't always control what happens to us, but we can control how we respond to it. This simple idea has profound implications for our success and happiness. When we learn to detach ourselves from outcomes and focus on the things we can control, our efforts, our attitudes, our choices, we become unstoppable. We develop the mental resilience to overcome any obstacle and the clarity of mind to make wise decisions. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." So start practicing Stoic philosophy in your daily life. When faced with challenges or setbacks, ask yourself, what is within my control and what is not? Focus your energy on the former and let go of the latter. Lesson 4. Develop a growth mindset. One of the most important discoveries in modern psychology is the concept of the growth mindset, developed by Stanford psychologist Carol Dweck. The growth mindset is the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and learning. People with a growth mindset see challenges as opportunities for growth rather than threats to their ego. They embrace failure as a necessary part of the learning process and use it as fuel for improvement. In contrast, people with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities are set in stone and avoid challenges that might reveal their limitations. The good news is that a growth mindset can be cultivated through practice and self-awareness. Start by paying attention to your inner dialogue when faced with challenges. Do you find yourself thinking things like, "I'm not good at this," or "I'll never be able to do it"? If so, try reframing those thoughts in terms of growth and learning. For example, "I'm not good at this yet, but I can improve with practice," or "This is an opportunity for me to learn and grow." Over time, this simple shift in perspective can have a profound impact on your ability to achieve your goals. Lesson 3. Cultivate unshakable perseverance. Success is rarely a straight line. More often than not, it's a winding road filled with obstacles, setbacks, and failures. The key to reaching your destination is not to avoid these challenges, but to meet them head-on with unshakable perseverance. Take the example of J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. Before becoming one of the most successful authors of all time, Rowling faced countless rejections from publishers, but she never gave up on her dream. She kept writing, kept submitting her work, and kept believing in herself. And eventually, her perseverance paid off. As she later said, "It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all. In which case, you fail by default." So, embrace failure as a necessary part of the journey. When you get knocked down, get back up. When you face rejection, try again. And when you feel like giving up, remember why you started in the first place. Lesson 2. Take massive, determined action. Knowledge is power, but knowledge without action is useless. To achieve your goals and create the life you want, you must be willing to take massive, determined action. This means setting clear intentions, creating a plan of action, and then following through with relentless focus and determination. It means being willing to do the things that others are not willing to do, to push yourself beyond your comfort zone, and to keep going even when the going gets tough. As the motivational speaker Les Brown once said, "The graveyard is the richest place on earth because it is here that you will find all the hopes and dreams that were never fulfilled, the books that were never written, the songs that were never sung, the inventions that were never shared, the cures that were never discovered, all because someone was too afraid to take that first step." Keep with the problem or determined to carry out their dream. Don't let your dreams die with you. Take action today and every day until you make them a reality. Lesson 1. Harness the power of belief. At the heart of all success lies the power of belief. What we believe about ourselves, our abilities, and our potential shapes our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately, our results. If we believe that we are limited, that success is impossible, or that we are unworthy of abundance, then that is what we will create in our lives. But if we believe that anything is possible, that we have the power to shape our own destiny, and that we deserve to live a life of purpose and prosperity, then there is no limit to what we can achieve. As the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali once said, "It's the repetition of affirmations that leads to belief. And once that belief becomes a deep conviction, things begin to happen." So start by affirming your own greatness, believe in yourself, your abilities, and your potential. And surround yourself with people who believe in you and support your dreams. And most importantly, take action in alignment with your beliefs. When you do, you'll be amazed at how quickly your reality begins to shift. This brings us to the final and most important lesson of all: never stop learning. The most successful people in the world are not those who have all the answers, but those who are constantly seeking new knowledge, new skills, and new perspectives. They understand that growth is a lifelong journey and that there is always more to learn. So make learning a daily habit. Read books, attend workshops, seek out mentors, and surround yourself with people who challenge and inspire you. Embrace the discomfort of not knowing and be willing to start from scratch in pursuit of new understanding. As the philosopher Socrates once said, the only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. When you approach life with a beginner's mind, you open yourself up to infinite possibilities for growth and transformation. And so, my friends, we come to the end of our journey together. But in truth, this is just the beginning. The lessons we've explored today are not meant to be passively absorbed, but actively implemented. They are not a destination, but a roadmap for a lifelong journey of growth and discovery. So I invite you to take these lessons to heart, to reflect on them deeply, and to start putting them into practice in your daily life. Remember, mindset is not something you have, but something you cultivate through consistent, intentional action. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We have a wealth of additional resources and teachings to support you on your journey to success and abundance. And if you're ready to take your growth to the next level, I invite you to join our private community of like-minded individuals who are committed to living life on their own terms and making a positive impact on the world. But more than anything, I want to leave you with a challenge, a call to action, a summons to greatness. It's time to wake up to your true potential, to recognize that you are not a victim of your circumstances, but a creator of your reality, to understand that your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions have the power to shape your destiny. So starting today, choose to think differently. Choose to believe in yourself. Choose to take bold, determined action in pursuit of your dreams. And above all, choose to never, ever settle for less than the extraordinary life you were born to live. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I honor your commitment to growth and transformation, and I believe in you more than you can possibly imagine. Now go out there and create the life of your dreams. The world is waiting for you to shine.